Hello mga ka-affordable house and lot. Nandito tayo ngayon sa Amaresa, Marilao, and this is their Alexandria model. Come on, let's check it! Ito ang kanilang pinakamalaking house model with 5 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, usable floor area of 174 square meter at minimum lot area of 159 square meter. So, pwede pa kayong mag-jogging talaga dito sa bakuran ninyo sa sobrang luwag ng inyong lote. At ito po ang pinaka-side view ng ating Alexandria model. Pasok naman po tayo sa loob. Ayan, this is the living area. As you can see, napakaluwag po talaga ng bahay, lalo na pag nakita ninyo in actual. At ito ang kanilang first toilet and bath. Dito pwedeng gawin ninyong entertainment room. Ayan. At ang ating first bedroom na tamang-tama kung meron tayong mga elderly. This is the dining area. At ang ating kitchen area.